Salam BUDILUHUR. My name is Edric, and today we are going to elucidate how we can create free and clean energy by using baric acid and salt water solution.
Oh my god. So, for the first part of our experiment, we are going to try and create free and clean energy solution with water and salt solution. So first, we are going to take our cup, and then we are going to take our salt and pour in 2 full spoons of salt into our glass. And now we are just going to mix in a moderate amount, not too much but also not too little amount of our distilled water. And now we're going to mix it so we can create a salt solution or brine just like this. And now we can move on to the second step of our experiment.
Now the second part. The second part, we're gonna tie down this razor blade. Okay, we're gonna tie down the razor blade with this, the copper cable. So first we insert it, and then we just tie around it. Now we also do this with the second razor blade on the second table. The second cable. And then we're gonna put it inside the salt and water mixture.
Okay.
Now the third part, which we're gonna fix the cable into the fitting bolt. So first we're gonna put it inside of this. See, you got this little hole in here. We're gonna put it inside. Okay, and we do the second part too. Now what we're doing is to hopefully, when we put this cable, which has the razor on each end, and put it inside the water, inside of the water and salt solution, it will light up this light bulb attached to this.
Cut dulu, cut. So now, after we have created the apparatus, we can now dip our razor blades inside of the salt solution. As you can see, the light bulb has dimly lit up after we have put our razor blades inside of the salt solution, which means that it has successfully created free and clean energy. So now, after we know that our contraption can actually produce electricity, we can now measure it using a multimeter. To measure the output of our contraption, we just take both of the black and red rods from the multimeter and stick them to each of the razor blades. We can now see that our contraption can produce 1.5 volts of electricity, and it has a resistance of 1 ohm according to the multimeter's readings. But now, we still have to find the electrical current that is produced by our contraption, which we can find by using the simple formula of R equals V per I, with R being resistance, V being volt, and I being electrical current. Now we can just simply input the numbers that we have into the equation, with R being 1 and V being 1.5. And then we just simply reverse 1 and I, so that it is 1.5 divided by 1, which means that I, or the electrical current, equals 1.5.